What if I told you there's a way to get your kids to love eating healthy, perform better in school, and feel unstoppable without having any complaints about the changes you have made? Stick around because I'm sharing the exact steps that work for my family along with some simple, delicious meal ideas young adults will love. And I'll tell you about a fantastic resource that made our transition so much easier. It has something to do with Maria and Craig Emmerich. Let me take you back a few years. Not all the way back when my kids were precious little babies, a time I truly miss, but when my kids, Brandon and Justin, were in college. They're 27 and 25 now, but back then they were like most students. They were hanging out at their university, which was Washington University of St. Louis, and like most kids, they were surviving on pizza, ramen noodles, and late-night fast food. You know the drill. As a parent and a doctor, I saw how that lifestyle was affecting them. They were suffering from low energy, trouble focusing, and honestly, a lack of confidence. That's when I decided to introduce them to low-carb, keto lifestyle. I didn't force it. I simply started sharing easy, delicious meals with them whenever they came home for the holidays. And the results, they were incredible. Improved grades, sharper mental clarity, steady energy throughout the day, and best of all, newfound confidence. My kids started feeling unstoppable. Even though they're not keto 100% of the time, they still turn to these principles whenever they want to look and feel their best. So why keto? Keto focuses on whole, nutrient-dense foods that stabilize blood sugars, reduce cravings, and give you sustained energy. It's really simple. Start with an animal protein like steak, chicken, or fish. Add non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, or peppers. Include healthy plant fats like avocado, coconut, or olive oil, and animal fat like lard, beef tallow, and butter. That's it. And here's the fun part. You can make keto meals that are not only simple but also delicious. Let me share some favorites that my kids and your young adults will love. Let's talk about some meals that your young adults will actually want to eat. Number 1, Mexican food. My kids love tacos. So for them, we use low-carb tortillas or go completely tortilla-free with taco bowls. Just layer ground beef, shredded cheese, lettuce, sour cream, and salsa. And if you're a fajita fan like my family, dish the tortilla and enjoy a sizzling plate of chicken, steak, and bell peppers with guacamole on the side. Number 2, keto pizza. It's a game changer. Use a crust made with ground chicken and cheese, then load it up with your favorite toppings like pepperoni, mushroom, and mozzarella. One of our local pizza joints called Lou Malnati's actually has a crustless pizza where the crust is made of ground beef. So check in your area if any of the established have similar alternatives. Number 3, keto burgers. Burgers are a crowd pleaser. Skip the bun and serve them on a bed of lettuce with bacon, avocado, and a side of roasted veggies. Number 4, breakfast for dinner. Who doesn't love breakfast all day? Scrambled eggs with bacon, cheese, and some sauteed spinach or mushrooms are always a hit. Number 5, low-carb pastas. My kids adore lasagna made with deli sliced chicken breasts instead of noodles. Layer it with marinara, ricotta, mozzarella, and Italian sausage. Bake it up and it's perfection. And of course, mac and cheese where the noodles are replaced with cauliflower, also a family hit. In a link to this video, I'll share a video where I share how I prepare it. These meals are so easy to make and don't require you to be a gourmet chef. Plus, they're so good, your kids won't even miss the carbs. With the holidays coming up, it's the perfect time to introduce your family to keto. Serve dishes that everyone will love, like a juicy roast, buttery green beans, and even keto-friendly desserts. It's easier than you think to make these meals feel festive and fun. Here's the big picture. Teaching our kids how to eat healthy isn't just about today, it's about creating a legacy. When we help our children build a strong foundation of health, we're giving them the tools to thrive in every area of their life, from their careers to their relationships. I truly believe that my youngest son, Justin, will be much more effective as an investment advisor with Northwestern Mutual, and my oldest son, Brandon, a marketing consultant, when they feel their best and have the mental clarity to do the work they're doing. And the impact doesn't stop with them. My kids have inspired their friends and even their coworkers to make better choices. Healthy living is contagious and it starts at home. If you're ready to start your family's keto journey, I can't recommend Maria and Craig Emmerich's books enough. They're packed with creative recipes and practical tips that make keto not only doable but fun. And like with more than 20 book options to choose from, like this one, and one of my favorites, which is the Sugar-Free Kids book, I think you'll be empowered to integrate keto into your family's lifestyle with no problem. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Take it one meal at a time, make it a family effort, and most importantly, have fun with it. Click on the links below to grab Maria or Craig's books or to connect to their YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips and inspiration. Together, we can transform the health of our families one meal at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.